play World of Tanks today. I'm sorry for not uploading videos, but if you want a great account in World of Tanks, just just send me an email. I'll link my email in the description, and no, leave a comment, and you just leave a comment, and I'll random.org, and put your email, and then I'll send your email if you want, and then I'll give you the code and account. So yeah, first we start off with me failing. Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna get a really good account for you guys. Whoever wins. Sorry. Okay, let's do this. So I'm in this map. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a Russian map, I think. Sorry if I'm wrong. Or maybe Ukraine. I don't know. But yeah. So I just started this game. But I can get a lot of counts. Oh, there's a guy. There's a guy. Kill him. Okay. And you may. I know one of the questions you can ask is, how do I get all these accounts? I get them from. I played Steam. I trade my items there to get accounts. And yeah. And then I pay like some metal in TF2, and some people may. Except I already have like 10 accounts that are good, but I'm just gonna play them. And then I can switch the email and then I'm gonna switch the email so you can change the password for you. If you don't trust me, so. Sorry if I don't project my voice enough. It's just because I'm kind of scared of doing my commentary. If you hear anybody laughing, it's my little brother. He's playing Black Ops. That's him. Kill him. I could stop the series and stop doing the giveaway with the Tangy Online. I'm also gonna leave a link in the description for this game, and if you actually want to join, you also have to subscribe and leave a like. You don't have to leave a like, but just subscribe. But please leave a like. Just spamming the space button. What do I rank? Oh, there are a lot of other maps. Oh, landed next to some armor, I think. I don't know what it is. If you hear me burping sometimes, it's because I just ate some noodles. I think if my tank is a hunter, that's all I know. I'm gonna try to get the Hornet when I get higher rank, and I'm gonna try to like get the best things in the game and complete it, and then I'm gonna check a new game. I'm gonna like try new games, and then I'm just gonna try to complete them. But you could also leave a link in the description if there's any games you know that I should buy or I could play. I'm gonna buy Saints Row 4, and I'm gonna do a let's play on that one. And that. Oh, just wait a minute. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do Saints Row. I'm gonna do a FIFA 13 career mode. And I'm gonna do a GTA 5, and I'm gonna do Assassin's Creed Black Flag and a Battlefield 4 series. But you can leave suggestions in the comments section about them. And I'm doing crack game series only for PC or Mac or whatever you're using. And I'm gonna, no, sorry, I was just thinking something else. And I might do a Clash of Clans series, Clash of Clans, where I like start from, or a quest to this trophy range. Like a guy from, like another guy. His name is I don't remember his something with playoff something. Oh, my brother just said a play of Clash of Clans. He watches him a lot. Sorry if I don't talk a lot. It's because I'm focused at these things. And this is actually a live commentary. Yeah, I mostly do live. That's why I don't like the I'm gonna show you in a minute. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the garage. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you, look at the medium tank kit and stuff. So what I didn't want is the smoky. That's really slow. I had twins out the Firebird flamethrower. Okay, no, I mean the railgun. What's smoky then? Oh yeah, that's the first one. Railgun. I'm gonna buy the dictator. Bye. And I'm gonna equip it. Oh my god. Oh, these are for later. Oh, the Hornet. Holy crap. The Hornet. Oh, holy crap. That's gonna be useful. But yeah, this is the end of this video. If you guys at least get 2 likes, I'll make another video today. And this is just to check if you like the series, if you want me to continue the series. I hope you have a very nice day. Goodbye.